How to become an NDA officer? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss for all the aspiring individuals out there. We'll be sharing a step-by-step guide on how to become an NDA, National Defense Academy, officer. The NDA is a prestigious institution that trains candidates to become officers in the Indian Armed Forces. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Before we dive into the steps, let's have a brief introduction to the National Defense Academy. The NDA is a joint services academy of the Indian Armed Forces located in Khadakwasla, Pune. It is a gateway for aspiring candidates to join the Indian Army, Navy, and Air Force as officers. The Academy offers a comprehensive training program that focuses on academic education, physical fitness, and leadership development. Now, let's move on to the steps to become an NDA officer. Step 1. Eligibility criteria. To become an NDA officer, you need to meet certain eligibility criteria. Here are the key requirements. Nationality, you must be a citizen of India or a subject of Bhutan or Nepal. Age, you should be between 16.5 to 19.5 years old. Education, you must have completed your 10+2 education or equivalent from a recognized board. Gender, both male and female candidates can apply. It's important to note that these criteria may change from time to time, so make sure to check the official NDA website or consult with an authorized source for the most up-to-date information. Step 2. Preparation. Preparing for the NDA exam requires dedication and discipline. Here are a few tips to help you get started. Understand the syllabus. Familiarize yourself with the NDA exam syllabus. It includes subjects like mathematics, general ability test, English, physics, chemistry, general science, history, geography, and current events, and an extensive physical fitness test. Study material. Gather the necessary study material, including books, previous year's question papers, and online resources. Many coaching institutes also offer specialized NDA preparation courses. Physical fitness, along with academics, focus on improving your physical fitness. Engage in regular exercise, sports activities, and develop good stamina. Time management, create a study schedule that allows you to allocate sufficient time to each subject. Practice time management during the exam preparation to complete the paper on time. Step 3. NDA written exam. Once you have prepared yourself, it's time to tackle the NDA written exam. Here's what you need to know. Registration. Visit the official website of the Union Public Service Commission (UPS) and register for the NDA exam when the notification is released. Admit card. Download your admit card from the UPS website. It contains important details like your exam center, date, and time. Exam pattern. The NDA written exam consists of 2 papers, mathematics and general ability test. The exam is conducted in offline mode and is objective in nature. Time management. Use your time wisely during the exam. Attempt the easier questions first to maximize your score. Negative marking. Remember, there is negative marking for incorrect answers, so answer only if you are reasonably sure. Step 4. SSB interview. Congratulations if you clear the written exam. The next step is the SSB, Services Selection Board, interview, which is a comprehensive evaluation. It includes various tests to assess your aptitude, personality, and leadership potential. The SSB interview evaluates your ability to work in a team, handle stress, and make sound decisions. Once selected, candidates undergo training at the NDA located in Khadakwasla, Pune. The training program is rigorous and covers academics, military training, physical fitness, and character development. Becoming an NDA officer is a transformative journey that demands perseverance, discipline, and a genuine love for your nation. Remember, the path is challenging, but the rewards are immeasurable. If you are passionate about serving our country and leading with honor, the NDA